Every VALO X curing light is covered by our 5-year manufacturer's warranty, so you can be confident in your investment. When used according to the operating instructions included with the product, and not damaged by negligence, abuse, misuse, accident, modification, tampering, or alteration, Ultradent will either repair or replace defective products. This limited warranty does not cover any accessory components, such as, but not limited to, batteries, chargers, adapters, or adaptive lenses. To qualify under this limited warranty, proof of purchase must be submitted to Ultradent along with the defective product. If you are outside the U.S., please email international.repair@ultradent.com. If you are inside the U.S. and you find that your VALO X light needs repairs, start a request online or call us at 1-801-553-4574, and we'll arrange shipment for your equipment to be returned to us for repair. All equipment repairs are performed by a certified Ultradent technician. To begin online, find the equipment from your equipment purchases that you need repaired. Then answer a few questions explaining the issues you are experiencing to help our technicians diagnose the problem. Next, follow the instructions on the final step to have your equipment returned to us. When submitting an online request for maintenance, please keep in mind that each item requires its own separate submission. If you have more than one piece of equipment that needs repair, you will need to submit one request for each piece of equipment. Can't find the answer from our troubleshooting guides? A customer service representative can help you diagnose the issue or initiate a repair for you. Call us. Talk to a live representative by calling 1-801-553-4574 or email us at equipment.repair@ultradent.com or international.repair@ultradent.com.